Hey y'all, and welcome to another episode starring the Supply Chain Automation Workforce Hub team. I'm Sheldon Strickland, and today we are broadcasting another Registered Apprenticeship Accelerator event, which took place at the United Way Greater Cincinnati. Let's take a look.
Hi, my name's Moira Weir. I'm the President and CEO of the United Way of Greater Cincinnati, and we're thrilled to be here today because we're really coming together to think about and collaborate about how we can really grow apprenticeship in this region. It's an important need in our region, particularly when we think about the manufacturing and technical skills, and we're just happy to be a partner here, so thank you.
I see there's a lot of people from different types of backgrounds here, but there's a whole group of people who have been underserved. So how are we addressing that particular need that I say there's a big gap and big hole that needs to be filled?
But there are some other occupations that we are using pre-apprenticeship and registered apprenticeship, and again, talking to employers, it's not charity, it's investment. And it's, you're not going, you don't go in and recruit in an adult ed WIE class for welding because it's the right thing to do. You do because those are great people who know how to weld, and you're crazy if you don't. So that's the kind of, we have put some funding in for some initiatives, but we feel like we're starting to catch on and do more.
Jason Graves, the Senior Director for the Indiana Office of Work-Based Learning and Apprenticeship. And here today at the Accelerator to talk to both educators and employers about the benefits of not only registered apprenticeship, but also pre-apprenticeship. Pre-apprenticeship also usually brings free training. It doesn't cost you anything, and you make money. So if you're an individual who's doing dual credit, a student, and that may be 6, 9, 12 credit hours you don't have to pay for in college. Or if it's a registered apprenticeship you're going into, if you actually get into a RAP, that's probably a half a year's worth of learning you don't have to do. So while the person next to you who didn't do a pre-apprenticeship is in class and you're on the floor making money, I'd rather be making money.
My name's Zach Trinkamp. I'm with the Mobile Apprenticeship Program. We're located in Florence. I have 3 different skilled trades. I have an industrial electrician, mechanic, and machine tool. It's a 3.5-year process, full-time work, part-time school. So we send our students through on-the-job training in the mornings, and then in the evenings they'll go to the Gateway Community and Technical College for their education. We pay for the tuition, we pay for the books, any tools they need. So they're getting a degree paid for by us. They're getting all of their on-the-job training. We are basically taking, whenever we get the internal operators, we are getting them into careers. So we're investing in employees. We get more long-term retention when we do that.
The Ohio Manufacturing Apprenticeship Accelerator consisted of an intro to registered apprenticeships followed by a panel discussion. Now, this discussion included many apprenticeship stakeholders, secondary and post-secondary education providers, local employer partners, and state leadership.
So I'm Aaron Ferris with Don Career Center. I am community engagement workforce specialist. What I do is I help assist our program with obtaining partnerships with employers and other organizations for our young people in construction, nursing, culinary, cosmetology.
Hello, I'm Larry Williams. I am the new school leader for Don Career Center. My role is to provide students with structure and an environment that's conducive to learning, and also to help them as far as getting to a place where they know what the graduation requirements are, and I help them get to them and achieve them. A lot of the things that they do are technology-based, and then they'll go out to their work sites, after they get done about 3 hours of the education piece.
What we have done is collaborated with several organizations throughout Cincinnati. One is the Easter Seals program, and they help to provide construction skill sets for our students, in which we had about 7 students complete their program last year, and they have went on to work in construction.
After the panel discussion ended, I got the opportunity to interact with 3 pre-registered high school apprentices from the local area who were actively working in their fields.
My name's Elijah, his name's Elijah, and that's Aiden.
Most of us didn't really know what this program was when we first got into it. Me and that Elijah down there were in the intro and freshman year. That Elijah introduced that Elijah into machining.
I had no clue what I was getting myself into. I didn't really have a plan for the future at all. Through this apprenticeship program, I've just found so many opportunities and learned what I'm gonna do for the future.
I got put into the intro class, and I learned a lot there. I like how to like recalibers and everything. I remember like my dad asked me like, what do I want to do in the future? And I didn't know at that point. But this program, I really enjoyed it. He always told me to do something that I enjoy. So, I love doing this, and I just pursued it.
And there you have it. Thank y'all so much for tuning in. Guys, don't forget to engage with us by visiting our website. The link is below. I'm Sheldon Strickland, signing out. And once again, we'll see you in the next one.